think I'm gonna call tonight a night of bizarre animals. What you look in my hand is a trilobite, and if you look at the structure of these animals, it looks like it time traveled probably millions of years ago and came today to say hi to us. This one is probably inanimate right now, but I can see him moving underneath. See, on a first glance, you will think this is probably just a piece of wood or a dried leaf of some sort. And if you have seen where I picked it from, this tree bark here is a dead tree, so they love hanging around in this kind of habitat. Yeah, can you see him moving now? He's trying to be comfortable on my hand. How cool is that?